Hi everyone. So I will teach you how do you do a profile audit for your Instagram account. So when you open your Instagram from your phone, it will direct you to your homepage. So it will look something like this. So on here, what you can do is you can go to your profile page here to actually edit your account. So this is actually a business account, but don't worry because the personal account looks pretty much the same like the business account. So first thing first, the basics of the audit is actually check your name, right? Your username, because the username also will be tied to your URL. So I have already named my name here. You can kind of see Yentan Car Enthusiast. But if you want to change it, you can actually just click on this edit profile here. Click on it. And then afterward, you will be direct to this page. You can actually change your profile photo. You can actually change your name here, right? You can actually change your username as well. But on your username, you need to make sure that you actually get this. Wait for it. Okay, let's see. Okay, but basically if there's no X button, then it means that username it's available. So if you have an X button, like the red X button, then you cannot use that username. So you need to try to change to another username that it's available. Okay, so after you're done, you can just click this button on up right here, which is like the check button. But because I have changed my username, I will just cancel it. Okay, if you want to change your profile photo, you can also change that. You can just click on this blue button here, change profile photo, and then afterward what you want to do is to actually either new profile photo or import from Facebook if you connect your Instagram to your Facebook page. So if you click on new profile photo, then they will actually just put all of the photo that you have in a gallery, and then you can actually just try to crop it and make it into your profile photo. So for example, if I'm using this, right, I will just uh, continue, and then it will change to the new profile photo. Yeah, it's still loading. Let's wait for a while. Okay, you are pretty much done here. So after we have changed our name, our profile photo, and our URL, which is our username, I will move on to our call to actions. So on the call to action buttons on the down here, you actually have these contact options. This contact option here is only available in business account. If you don't have any business account, then this will be not available. But don't worry, because this contact information you can actually just put it into your link tree here or your website. In this link tree, this is kind of like the getaway from your multiple links in one place. You can actually just put your own URL, your own WhatsApp URL. So this one, if for example you don't have any link tree, you can actually just put a WhatsApp URL here. How to do that is pretty much easy actually. You can actually just put HTTPS and then use this sign, and then put WA or WhatsApp.me, and then put slash, and then now you need to put your own phone number with the country code. So the country code of Malaysia is 60, so you can just put that 60, and then you can just put whatever number that you have. For example, you have a 110 for example, you can actually just put it something like this. So once they click into this website here, it will actually be directed to your own WhatsApp, so they can just straight away contact you. So this website here is going to be your CTA button, or I would say this is going to be your link in bio. So you can actually use it as your CTA button or call to action button, or you can use it as your link if, for example, you want to direct them to another website. I would suggest you to put a link tree. So you can go for link tree. So this is going to be link t dot r.ee and then slash your username, but you need to create a Linktree account first. Okay, so after you're done, what you want to do is the next one is going to be to put something in your bio to describe about what is your page about. So this bio, I will just paste it here because I already created my bio. After I'm done, I will just click yes here, which is like continue, and then I'm pretty much done already. So just to recap, I have done my name, I have done my username, sorry, I've done my website, I have done my bio, I've done my profile picture. That's pretty much it already. Okay, so this is all of the profile that you can change or you can audit right now. If for example you want to go for, you want to try to add other stuff, you can also go to category here, right? So if you remember, the Facebook page also has a category, but basically this is going to be if for example you want to change category because when you create your Instagram accounts, you didn't put the category in, so you need to put it under here, the category here. You can also put the action button if for example you are using any other third-party services like Book Now. You can see all the partners that they are in, so this is all of the third-party services that you can use. If for example you have any third-party services that are here, you can actually just put it here. For example, appointee, and then you need to log in to your appointee account, for example, and then afterwards it will be up as your CTA button or call to action button into your business account. Okay, if you have a shop now, if you have a shopping experience in Instagram account, it will also appear here as a button, and then you can actually just click on it. Okay, so that's pretty much it basically. Then the next video I will teach you guys how to do a highlights. Okay.